Next topic is yoga. Yoga brings together physical and mental disciplines that help you achieve peacefulness of body and mind. Means if you want peaceful situation of your mind and body, so you have to do yoga daily. So yoga has a calming effect on the body and many poses have a stress relieving effect. So these are the poses used to relieve stress. So this can help you to help you relax and manage stress and anxiety. Anxiety means feeling worry when you feeling worry. So yoga has many styles and forms like cow pose, okay, dolphin pose, cat pose. So these all are the poses of yoga and used to remove the stress, okay, and you will feel relaxed, peaceful. So you have to do yoga daily. Next is a meditation. So look at this picture. This is a situation of meditation. So meditations helps the mind and body to relax and focus. Meditation boosts your mind or your mood, shift your focus away from stress, okay, so and create other changes in you that help you to be less reactive to stress. So using meditation you will less focus on the stress and you will focus on your work properly. So next is nature walk. By taking even a quick walk, nature walk means you have to go for walk, morning walk daily, okay, evening walk also, but mainly for a morning walk. So by taking even a quick walk you can give yourself a change of scenery and little exercise at the same time. Getting your body moving and shifting your focus can give you a quick boost in mood, okay, when you will go for walking. So this will give you a quick boost in mood and provide you a lot of energy also, and provide as opportunity to get into a new frame of mind. So both of these things quickly help you feel less stressed. Next is a set priorities. Means you have to set your priorities of your work. You have to make proper schedule of your work. Means you have to set your target of a day. Means what you want to do in a day. So first of all you have to set your target, and next thing is you have to make your schedule. So set the priorities of your work, which work you want to do firstly and which one you will do at last or even tomorrow. Clear? So next is a practice facing stressful moments. So think about the event or situation that stress your mind, okay, and never give up. You have to find out the solution and deal with the challenges. So if you know that speaking in form in front of a group frightens you, practice doing it. If the pressure of taking test causes you stress, then do some more practice for test, okay. If teacher given you test and you have not revised the test properly, so you don't give up, you have to do practice again and again, okay, then surely you will clear your test and you will pass out the test. So next is examine your expectations. You have to check your expectations. What are your expectations? Always try to set realistic goals, means which have any objective. So these are called realistic goals. It's good to push yourself to achieve, but make sure your expectations are realistic, means which have any objective. Be satisfied with doing the best you can. So next is a going to vacations. Going to vacations is also a technique to reduce the stress. Taking a break from your regular routine, like in a week, one day, like Sunday or Saturday, you have to do for vacation and anywhere. So going to vacations to place of your mind of your choice relax your mind and reduce the stress.